What if we could take the most distant planets in the universe and bring them right next to Earth? Not physically, of course, but scale them down and place them side by side, so we can finally understand just how strange they really are. Let's start with something familiar. Earth. Our home. Blue, calm, balanced. But compared to many exoplanets out there, Earth is actually pretty normal. Now imagine a planet where it rains glass. HD 189733b is a deep blue world, almost beautiful at first glance. But don't be fooled. Its atmosphere is filled with silicate particles, tiny shards of glass. And because of extreme winds, those shards don't just fall. They slice through the air at over 5,000 miles per hour. If you stood there, you wouldn't just get wet. You'd be shredded instantly. Now let's move closer to a nightmare. 55 Cancri e. A planet so hot, its surface is basically molten. Temperatures reach over 2,000 degrees Celsius. But here's the insane part. Scientists believe this planet might be rich in carbon. Meaning, deep inside, it could be filled with diamonds. An entire planet, made of diamond. Beautiful, right? Except, you'd never survive long enough to see it. Next up. A planet darker than anything you've ever seen. Trace 2b. This planet reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it. That makes it darker than coal, darker than black paint. Almost completely invisible. If it floated near Earth, you might not even see it coming. Just a massive, silent shadow, swallowing light itself. Now imagine a planet where a year lasts just hours. Kepler 78b. It orbits so close to its star that one full year is only about 8 hours. That means sunrise, sunset, repeat 3 times a day. But again, this speed comes at a cost. The surface is a sea of lava. Not land. Not ocean. Just endless molten rock. Now let's go bigger. Much bigger. Jupiter is already huge compared to Earth. But some exoplanets make Jupiter look small. Meet WASP 12b. A gas giant so close to its star that it's literally being pulled apart. Its atmosphere is stretched into space. Like a giant comet tail. The planet is slowly dying. Being eaten, piece by piece. Now picture this. A planet where it rains, iron. Not water. Not acid. Liquid metal. On WASP 76b, temperatures are so extreme that metals evaporate into the atmosphere. Then, when winds carry them to the cooler side, they condense and fall as molten iron rain. Imagine standing under that sky. Metal, falling like water. Now let's slow things down. Far away from chaos. There are also peaceful giants. Kepler 22b. A super-Earth, possibly covered in oceans. A place where life might exist. We don't know for sure. But compared to everything else we've seen, this one feels almost like home. And that's the point. The universe is not just big. It's bizarre. Every planet tells a different story. Different physics. Different extremes. And when we place them next to Earth, we realize something important. Our planet isn't just ordinary. It's rare. Perfectly balanced. Between fire and ice. Chaos and calm. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. Out there are worlds of glass storms. Diamond cores. Burning skies. And iron rain. But here, you have air to breathe, water to drink, and a sky that doesn't try to kill you. And maybe, That makes Earth the most extraordinary planet of all.